engineering firm specializing in robotic solutions to repair the mine and to retrieve valuable ores and deliver them to the surface. We pride ourselves in building and delivering custom robots based on our clients' unique specifications. We know that Best is looking for a robotic solution to repair the mine and to retrieve valuable ores and deliver them to the surface. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you that Wired Corporation has the technology, manpower, experience, and funding to successfully deliver the project that Best has proposed. Hiring our efficient processes and services means more profitability to you. We are committed to delivering you a world-class underminer robot on time while maintaining the highest standards in safety and quality. We look forward to working with you.
Hello, my name is Alexis Monk, and I will be discussing our company's structure, demographics, and budget. Our company structure consists of 5 key divisions: engineering, operations, technology, marketing, and finance. Our engineering division consists of base, collections, arm, and end effector. The base team is in charge of creating our robot's chassis and wheels. The collections team is in charge of creating a unique contraption that can capture valuable mineral ores from deep mining wells and bring them back to the surface. The arm team is in charge of positioning the end effector and moving mine elements. End effector team is in charge of picking up individual ores. The operations division consists of drivers, spotters, a pit crew, a strategy chief, and a question and answers representative. The technology team is in charge of selecting, designing, programming, and testing our software for our robot, the Underminer. The marketing division focuses on publicity and sales. Finally, our finance division keeps track of all of our incomes and expenses. Moving on to demographics. As you can see from these pie charts, our company is very diverse. We have several different ethnic groups, a solid representation of both genders, and a variety of ages. Approximately 1/3 of our employees are females. We have 11 6th graders, 7 7th graders, and 7 8th graders. Quite a mix, right? Moving on to budget. To fund our operations, we approached major corporate investors and arranged fundraising activities. We obtained venture capital from major corporate investors such as ExxonMobil, Texan Bank, CBNI, IBM, and Enora Realty Group. Wired raised additional funds by selling t-shirts and rock candies. One of our largest expenses was $500 for building a replica minefield. Additional expenses included marketing and operational needs. In all, we raised a total of $3,420, of which we spent $850, leaving $2,570 in our operating account for future research and development. And now Danielle will discuss the first part of the engineering process.
Hello, my name is Danielle Trump. Kate and I will tell you about our company's engineering process. Our engineering process was actually derived from NASA. It begins with defining the need and it ends with dismantling the project and lessons learned. Having gained an understanding of the requirements set forth by Best Corporation at USTEP kickoff, Wired Corporation engaged in a brainstorming session. During this time, each employee shared their ideas on how to best approach mining of minerals to gain maximum profit for Best Corporation. We discussed the merits of each idea in order to build a world-class robot. Also, we encourage your staff to use Moto, an internal communication tool. Also, we discussed strategies to effectively mine ore. Since different minerals had different valuations, we had to decide on the tasks that we wanted our robot to achieve. For example, should we focus on the minerals that have the highest value, or minerals that would be simple and easy to mine, or minerals that would be hard to reach, such as the magnetite? This is an example. corporation recognizes as the market conditions change, the value of each mineral can change. So we had to design a robot that would be capable of adapting to the changing market conditions. As our core strategy, we first decided to collect the magnetite, then followed by the medium core sample and core. Then we would gather those minerals and deliver them to ground level. Lastly, we would collect the chemical pyrite bin and deliver them to ground level. In order to accomplish our strategy, we divided our robotics division into subsystems, which Kate will discuss.
Hello, my name is Kate Zimmerman, and I will be covering the analytical evaluation of our design alternatives. We divided our robotic division into subsystems including arm, base, collection, and technology. Where feasible, we followed the KISS principle. Keep it super simple. The arm is an example of this. We decided to use a straight, no-jointed arm rather than a double-jointed or telescoping arm. We confirmed the feasibility of this simple design using prototypes. The function of the base subsystem is to pick up and release the copper box. We evaluated our options and decided on a rectangular base with a lift. This provided enough space to carry the servos and electronic equipment while at the same time satisfying the 24 by 24 by 24 inch size limitations. Here's our base and lift in action. We built and tested our prototype on our standard robot. For collection, we settled to two ideas. We narrowed down to two ideas. Either a funnel design that would collect lithium crystals, or a box type design that would collect the copper. We settled on the funnel design. This design offered two major advantages. For one, it would provide more leeway in terms of precision for the driver, as well as enabling the robot to collect more lithium crystals. The objective of this simple design was to knock off the lithium crystals with the arm, which would fall into the funnel, and then the funnel would empty the lithium crystals out into the copper box. To maximize the surface area for collection, we refined our design for collection to include a wing on the side of our robot. Now that all of our subsystems have been built, our systems integration lead oversaw the final assembly of our robot. We documented every step of the process inside of our engineering notebook. And now Hank will talk to you about our corporation's marketing strategies. Thank you.
Here at the Wired Corporation, we believe that a successful company is a publicized company. To publicize Best in Wired, we made billboards, posters, and flyers and distributed them throughout our community to advertise Best in Wired. We also sold rock candy throughout our community to generate funds. These rock candies had custom labels on them that had the Best, Wired, and PayDirt logos and contact information on them. Our marketing division also released a press release to the Bay Area Citizen and the Clear Lake Area Community Newsletter. In these press releases, we discussed who we are, what we do, and where and when we compete. To further advertise Best in Wired, our team participated in robotic demonstrations at our local Barnes & Noble and library. Here we set up a table with informative brochures and activities, played our team's promotional video, and drove our sample plot around. And now I will hand it over to Nathan to discuss our company's application of available technology.
Hello, my name is Nathan Poland. Today I will introduce the latest technology Wired Corporation utilizes. We use SolidWorks as our CAD tool to design complex, mechanical, and structural parts for our robot. SolidWorks has the best interface and uses fewer mouse clicks to get the job done faster. Also, our draftsman was an experienced SolidWorks user.
This is a video depicting our robot previously.
We use Robot C programming language over other programming languages because Robot C has auto-texting features, a superb debugger, and cross-platform support. Our Robot C also allowed us to drive a virtual robot in a simulated mining environment using robot virtual worlds. We designed and built our own torque tester for our motors. Our programmers took the data from the test results to create drive system software and stock wheel size. For our marketing presentation, we chose Prezi, a professional office application. We chose Prezi because it produces visually compelling slides and allows for a more natural and smooth transition between each slide. For our marketing brochures, we chose Microsoft Publisher because it provides flexible and precise page layouts and designs and allows the designer to focus more on creativity. The brochure is included in your packet. We use Edmodo for internal communication because Edmodo allows us to communicate remotely and instantaneously. For a website builder, we chose Wix for its rich graphics, design flexibility, and ease of use. And the URL of the website is in the packet. Now I'll hand it over to Pavan for concluding remarks.
Just as a side note, the brochures, rock candy, and the URL of our website are all in the folders that you all received.
Thank you to my colleagues for their wonderful marketing presentation. As you can see, our company Wired has designed and built